Okay, so I did want to make this alive, but I don't have time. So I'm just going to go over what I'm taking with me today. I do have to be out of the house for some work today. So I'm taking the things that I need with me. I am actually just drinking water and herbal tea until 11. At least I'm trying to. Yesterday, I ate some apples, these small apples, because I was getting super duper hungry, and because I haven't been able to juice like I need to, and so um, I have been eating I had the apples yesterday. So anyway, then from the time I wake up till 11, it's drinking water, herbal tea. And then from 11 till 3, it's juices. So after that, then you can have salad. So my friend who's Romanian gave me this detox, right? And I'm tweaking it a little bit to work for me because I'm super busy. I cannot just drink juice and be okay. Like, I really feel nauseous. So at any rate, mostly veggies, a little bit of fruit. So here we go. This is kohlrabi. And kohlrabi, I believe, is in the radish family, and it's really good. I really love kohlrabi. It's crunchy, but it's not as spicy as the radish. Sorry, I'm talking eating. So kohlrabi, some organic carrots, some cucumber. I am going to put on this the Bragg's oil-free vinaigrette. And then I'm going to put some Mrs. Dash, a little bit of pink Himalayan salt, fresh cracked black pepper. Then we're going to have this later as well. Okay. Got this from Sprouts. This is everything that's in it. All right. So yeah. That's it. I'll go live this evening and show you all the dinner that I'm going to make. So yeah, just want to show you this though. Okay, just to be clear, the first part of this video was what I was preparing for the day for my afternoon food, my solid food. That's what I was preparing in the morning. And then before I had the solid food, this is the juice that I had. The one in the middle is just the veggie juice, and this is a stock photo, obviously. But I had about 20 to 24 ounces of just straight vegetable juice. Watch this live for the dinner that I had for day 3. Okay, it's a little blurry, but it's because I did it from my computer. I guess from my phone it's better. And so right here, I'm preparing my juice for the next day, for day 4. So a lot of people ask me, how can I eat healthy? How can I live a healthy lifestyle? I'm super busy, blah, 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 I work out of the house. The way that you do it is that you prepare. You have to allocate your time to what's most important to you. All right. You don't want to get caught out there whether you're trying to detox or you're just trying to live a healthy lifestyle. If you're not preparing the day before, you are going to find yourself eating things that you're not supposed to eat. So I'm preparing this juice the night before, and excuse my messy kitchen, and my juicer was really showing off this evening and splashing everywhere. So preparing ahead of time will prevent you from, not reaching your goal, whether it's weight loss or whether you are just trying to get healthy. This recipe, and I'll leave all of the veggies and everything that I'm using in this recipe down below. This is going to be essential to whatever situation you might have going on. Some of you might know that I started my channel because I was dealing with candida overgrowth. I was dealing with chronic bacterial infections and yeast infections. The way that you reduce inflammation in the body and maintain health long term and vitality is by detoxing in this way regularly, and then also consuming foods daily that help you just detox the body daily and stay healthy, okay? So use this recipe if you need to detox, or if your goal is to just maintain health, okay? And again, my my juicer showing off. I guess she knew that we were going to be on YouTube and we were going to be, So, anyways, this is super embarrassing. But this is going to be for tomorrow. This is going to be for my juice um, at 11 o'clock, which during this detox I really look forward to. But it has been enjoyable thus far, and also I did not drink the wine that I thought that I was going to drink, you guys. So I'm super proud of myself. This is all of the liquid combined. It's a very strong. I'm gonna add water to it. Very potent juice. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and share. And I'll see you in the next video.